Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to spring in Texas. It's actually here. It's happening. Look at this. Everything's turning green. The oak trees are starting to drop their leaves. It's really beautiful outside. 75 today, and I don't think we have any more freezing temperatures forecasted for the rest of the year. So that means summer is just right around the corner. So today we are going to get back to our spring cleaning that we started a few weeks ago because, well, our pressure washer died and all we ever got was the driveway done. Well, since summer is almost here, or spring is basically here, it's time to get on with those chores because that means one thing. My business is about to be so busy that I won't have time for this. So today we're gonna finish doing that. And by we, I mean me and my little helper, Caden, possibly Alicia if she wants to be a part of this. And while we get ready, let's take this moment to thank today's sponsor and the sponsor of this video, Brooklyn Bedding. Looking for the perfect night's sleep at a great price? Brooklyn Bedding has been assembling top-tier mattresses since 1995. Founded by John, a guy with a dream and a whole lot of hustle in Arizona, today every mattress is designed and assembled in their Arizona factory and shipped free right to your door. When you buy from Brooklyn Bedding, you're getting premium quality without the crazy markup. Just factory direct comfort that delivers your best sleep ever. If you've been with us for any amount of time, you know our journey started in an RV, not a house. And our journey with Brooklyn Bedding started with a Brooklyn Signature Hybrid mattress that we bought for our RV because, well, RV mattresses are terrible. So we used our own money and bought a Brooklyn Signature Hybrid, and it was the best mattress we ever slept on. So much so that we were telling you guys about it before Brooklyn Bedding decided to work with us. So when they reached out to us, it was a no-brainer because we knew the quality and the comfort that they offered. So when it came time to upgrade the RV toy hauler for our girls, we went with the Dream Foam Essential Memory Foams in the 9-inch model because it offered our girls 2 queen-size beds in the toy hauler. Well, when we stopped traveling and we decided to sell it all down in a house, guess what? We needed more mattresses. We needed another mattress for our master bedroom, so they hooked us up with the Sedona Elite. And our boy Caden got hooked up with a Brooklyn Essential for his awesome tractor bed here at the house. And the girls, of course, they took their Dream Foam Essential Memory Foams from the RV, and they're in the house right now in their princess beds. And the best part about all this, Brooklyn Bedding designs, assembles, and ships all their mattresses from their factory in Arizona. This means they're able to use premium materials at a reasonable price with no middleman to bring up the cost. We know choosing a mattress can be a huge decision. That's why Brooklyn Bedding offers a 120-night sleep trial, and they back it up with a limited lifetime warranty. Brooklyn Bedding also offers free shipping anywhere in the United States. Plus, it comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up yourself, especially when you cut the vacuum seal and the mattress goes poof. And now is also the best time to try out their new Copper Flex line of mattresses, where quality comfort meets affordability. We love our mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and we think you would too. If you're in the market for a new mattress, head over to brooklynbedding.com. You can check the link in the description below or go to brooklynbedding.com/pavingnewpaths to get 30% off your order with the code PavingNewPaths. Once again, thanks to Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video and their continued support of this channel. Now, let's get to work. You gotta come over here. I guess he doesn't want to help me. Hey, are you gonna help me? We need to move this wood pile, that one right there, and we could use this tractor. All right. There's one. I wonder how many this thing can actually pull. You too? You wonder too? I bet I can maybe take 4. I don't want to overload it. Oh, up to the top? I don't know. I don't want to make your battery go dead because you tried to do too much at one time. You think I can do more? You want to try it there? Whoa. Good job, dude. All right, let's stack these up right here. You gonna get that one too? That one was escaping. It is heavy. Look at you. All right, dude. Only about 150 more trips doing 4 at a time. Hey, whoa, whoa. Let me help you with that. We probably threw that over there because it was so big. All right, let's go get another load. What are the odds that him or the battery in that machine makes it till this pile's gone? I'm gonna say 0 because he's taking the long way every time to get back here. But man, he likes that little tractor. All right, dude. Last one. Thank you. Yeah. Got it? Here, let me get that one for you. That one looks like a little big one. That's your U size. You done? You know what time it is? You know what time it is? What time? Dr. Pepper time? That's right. There it is, the last 2. You want to tell Mommy? Yeah, I know. We should tell Mommy and have a Dr. Pepper time. Well, there it is, guys. The little tractor made it. We now have our wood pile out here. And like he said, it is Dr. Pepper time. All right, dude. You don't get the baby ones. You get the Big Daddy size ones. Here you go, be careful. Wait, you broke the rule. We're supposed to cheers. Boop. Yeah, take your gloves off. We take a break. When we get something done, we take a break and relax. And talk about what we did. You want to do it again? Doop. And Dr. Pepper time's over with. He's done working, now he's playing. That is an awesome little toy. Oh, where'd he go? Where's Caden? There you are. Where'd you go? There you are. All right, Bubba. Next up, we gotta clean up our mess. You gonna help me? All right, let's get to it. Get him! I believe I'm gonna go in there and get my blower. Help that little man out. All right, Bubba, I'm gonna get mine out. I'm gonna help you, okay? All right, Bubba. Good job. Oh yeah? Look what we did. It also doesn't hurt that the wind is blowing about 40 miles an hour that way, so all you gotta do is get in the air and it goes. Is this fun? So what happened to your thing? It's dead? You ran a battery out already? Let me see. Oh, sure enough. All right, we better get another one. Yeah. You wanna take a Dr. Pepper break? Yeah. My man. We're never gonna get anything done before we take Dr. Pepper breaks, you know that? Yeah. That's okay. Because we ain't got no boss today, we're just doing chores. Don't tell your mother that, but we don't have a boss today. All right, you do you. I'm gonna go work for a little bit. All right, you take a break. He's slowly getting tired, but I bet he does not take a nap. Are you gonna take a nap today? No, because you're a big boy. He needs one, but he never will take it because he always feels like he's gonna miss out on some sort of activity and Dr. Pepper time. All right, I'm gonna go back to work. You take it easy. And we interrupt this work for another Dr. Pepper break. I'm also out of gas. He's out of battery again. But the wind is being our best friend. It, no joke, is probably blowing like 40 miles an hour that way. So all we really gotta do is get the leaves up in the air and they naturally are going the way we want them, which is down the driveway to that little spot across the street where we can mulch them up. Or if the wind wants to help, blow them further into the woods. All right, Bubba, what do you want to do? Hi. You know you can turn this on and leave it on, right? Watch. Now do it. Oh! Man, that's a cool idea, dude. The wind's not helping you. Here, come over here. Now try it. Oh, dude! You're so smart. Isn't that cool? Oh man, awesome job, dude. That is cool. That's so awesome. Is that your awesome dance? Mommy is gone. What do you say we have another Dr. Pepper? I won't tell if you won't tell. No more? You want another one? All right, be our little secret. That way, we both get in trouble. Here you go. Isn't working fun? You just make the yard look beautiful and you get to have lots of Dr. Pepper drinks. And he's gone. Well, it does feel good outside and slowly but surely, we're making it nice here. What you got there? You bringing it back to me? That's cool. It's okay, the wind's probably gonna mess all this up tonight anyway. But at least when we go to bed, it'll look beautiful. Also, I think we're almost done with the oak leaves. So this might be the last big cleanup. You got boo-boo? You're gonna have that on those big jobs. You wanna get your blower and help me again? Or you wanna take a break? Look what I found. Some bullets for your pew-pews. Looks like we didn't get them all cleaned up there today when we had a little war. Thanks for helping me. High five. Now the yard looks beautiful again. And all the leaves are where they belong. In the woods across the street. And they're over there too. And they're over there, and they're over there. And there's some leaves are already in the garage again. I think we're done, but I don't think we're done, if you know what I mean. Do you know what I mean? Is that Mommy? What's up, boo?
Good.
How was school?
Good.
Oh yeah? There goes Bubba. There goes Booski. Bye.
I need my Crocs.
Oh, you need your Crocs?
Yeah. Can I go check the mail?
Sure.
Okay.
So we have one kid running like crazy, and we have one kid passed out.
I bet it just jumped.
Let me see. Asa, what are you doing?
I'm trying to blow, but I can't start it.
That thing's as big as you are.
Is it heavy?
A little bit.
Do you want him to turn it on?
Yeah.
Oh
You gotta put
my goodness. Look at Bubba. Bubba back here.
Look at you, Bubba. You've been watching somebody, huh?
Watching Daddy.
He's been watching Daddy. All right.
It's scary.
Don't be scared.
All right, here we go.
Let's see what you got.
All right, let's see.
I can't hold my hand.
Okay,
on,
don't
watch
fly
out,
away. If you do, have a good ride.
Oh, let me see. Did you hit the thing?
Maybe. Don't know. I can't wait for you to watch it on video. I'm so glad we filmed it. You're gonna love it.
I don't think you can do this.
Yeah, you really might fly away like a helicopter. She almost took off.
Here, let's see what it
Let's
looks like.
see if you can even pick it up.
Put the backpack on.
I'll hold
Show us.
I'll hold you.
Oh man,
All right,
look at
grab the
that
thing.
strong boy.
Okay, guys.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, you can pick it up. All right, Daddy's gonna start it.
It's really hard to hold when it's not on your back. Like that tube is aggressive because I was using my knee to stop it from flopping.
That's so funny. That's a lawn crew in the making right there.
And just like that, all my people are inside having snacks, and I'm out here enjoying this beautiful day and the results of me and Caden cleaning the yard up. Still need to mow and do a bunch of other things, and of course we didn't do the one thing we were supposed to do, was finish our pressure washing job. But that's how it gets. You start cleaning things and you realize you should probably do this first and do that first and do this first. But it's that time of year, and I know that because I'm starting to do it with all my customers. So we're spending a lot of time spring cleaning. Sometimes we get paid for it, sometimes 100% free. Anyway guys, I gotta clean all this up, start cooking dinner, and get ready for some more spring cleaning tomorrow. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We love you, and we'll see you in the next one.